Let's climb. Let's go there then, because here it's overgrown with small spruce trees. These are juniper berries. You can see they are yet green, the fruits of the juniper berry. From these plants they make the alcoholic beverage called gin. Some of you know, some of you maybe don't know. See this plant? This is also herb. They call this babin kvass. I'm not sure about for what it helps. I hope no snakes in these big grasses. Wow, what a view, folks! Check this. We're on the 10th floor, right? It's an amazing place here, amazing spot. It's quite high. It's a little bit dangerous. Oh, I can't believe, guys. The blueberries are ready. Usually they are ready for eating in early August, but you can see we already have some blueberries. On most of the places they are not ready yet, and of course I'm gonna taste them. Yeah, good. Well, the road is down there. I was hoping for better view for the mountains or furthermore around, but anyway, I like this spot. I hope you like it. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about this steep forest and about this place.